Okay, the eviction moratorium is over with. We gave them some time to let people apply for rental assistance, and I think it's going on now 4 months, maybe 5 months, and people are still accruing crazy amount of rent. I got one guy owe me $22,000. I got one person owe me $4,200. I got another person that owed me $3,900. I got one person that owed me $3,100. Yeah. Crazy, right? You want to know something? Half of these people ain't even trying to apply for rent relief. They're just like, fuck us. Fuck us. Forget you. It's all about me. So let the eviction process begin. Let the eviction process begin. The guy who owed me the most, okay, I ain't gonna mention no name because he's a white guy. Crazy, right? We're gonna have to go to court with him and then get some information from him and then ding his credit, or we're gonna sue him. Cause that's a lot of money. He ain't even trying to move. And I just heard from my property manager today that they don't even think he got electricity in that thing. Like he's running an extension cord next door. That's not right. Not right at all. So, but we're patiently waiting to get this cat up out of here. Get them all out here. So I think I got 7 people, man. Give or take 7 people that I'm gonna have to evict. I don't like it, and it's almost Thanksgiving time, so I don't like it, but I gotta do what I gotta do. Oh man, we gotta come up with a drainage solution out here. Look at all this water, man. Either we're gonna have to do French drain or a suck pump. We'll have to go underneath the sidewalk right there on both sides to get all that water to run over there to the backhand side. But guys, leave us a lot of water. Cabinets in. Cabinets are in. Yeah. So when you make money like the contractor, you know what I'm saying? This is what you ride up in.
So what are you gonna drop it? If we drop them, what do we do with the gap? Just leave it? Leave it or put some molding, some kind of molding. I can put like something just flat, or just leave it open. The other ones over there aren't up yet. I mean, they're the bottoms of it. They just. I mean, if you bought this house, I would want you to be able to at least reach this shelf. So about 8 inches? Yeah. Okay. He's okay, I got you. So when it came in, I was like, this ain't gonna work. I looked, I said, because the veins were dark. I said, the colors on the side was light, but the veins were dark. That's why I said, I said, that picture, I said, if I take this is what they brought me. And he said, no, I don't like it. I said, good, I don't like it either.
Hey.
I do have one thing.
Look at this
Don't
first.
kill me.
Look at this first. Before you walk around. See the cabinet here?
Oh, yeah. Perfect. That's perfect.
Okay. I see those.
Oh, not about the one about the refrigerator though.
I'm going to finish with this.
Can we leave the one with the refrigerator?
So if I do that, if I come down, so right now the refrigerator is 6'6", so the refrigerator is 6 foot. So if I come down more than 6, I'm going to have to change the refrigerator cabinet.
No.
So the refrigerator is my height.
Yeah.
I think
Can we leave that one? Oh, it's gonna look weird.
that one can stay up.
Yeah.
That's what, así, con todo otros papás.
Yeah, I don't think that's the end of the world, because typically, even in an apartment, the
Yeah.
cabinet above a refrigerator is high. I have to get on the ladder to get to mine, but the rest of them, that height, I think that's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go, the cabinet up here, those levels, and those I'll just replace it.
That looks crazy. Okay. But this is perfect.
Okay. What about the top one?
The top one's not as noticeable. That's just very noticeable.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it should all be. That's my.
Did you get on video when you asked me could I reach the cabinet?
Nah, I ain't get to see that, man. Y'all got to going too quick for me, man. It's all good, though. I'm getting the best part of it, though.
Before we go in, the garage door, have you seen the garage door over here?
No.
It's white with the color. I just want to know if you're going to be okay with that. We can go in. Yeah, go ahead. So this one, what do you want this? Is this one okay? Change it to? Johnny, we're going to do that with cedar and stains the same color. Just the bottom on the front house too. So change that with cedar and we'll stain the same color as on both. This window's too up front. The bottom? Yep, it's the bottom.
Weren't you in the hospital?
Yeah, he was in the hospital.
I'm glad that you're out.
Yes. Okay, cool.
I think it plays well off of the front door, and it brightens the house up a little bit. Yeah, I like the white.
Okay.
This color turned out really well.
Yeah, we just put the doors in.
Who did the
Keith fucking Fowler.
His buddy?
No. What's what?
That's raised. That feels higher to me. Right here. There's something right there. Unless I'm tripping.
This one.
Yeah, this is. My only concern with this one, these are long as shit. This should be like here. Ooh, but it looks like.
Yeah, you can move. You can move them.
Yeah, we should just take that one off.
To the highest?
Yeah, because if not, this is too low.
Okay, so take it up one.
Let me, I'll swing by Home Depot to get you like an actual color code. I think we should go, because we're doing white on both cabinets. We could actually do an accent on both of the islands.